Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Today I'm doing a layout for a mood board challenge, which I'll pop in here, and it's a blues, all about the blues mood board from Off the Rails Scrapbooking. Off the Rails is a Facebook group and it's full of lots of inspiration, and they do a monthly mood board and there's always a prize up for grabs. And selfless plug here, I'm a sponsor of every second month, so I will, if you win, I will send you some scrappy goodies. So anyway, I thought I would do a layout for this month's mood board, and I'm going to be using a sketch from Page Maps from May 2013, and it's this one here. So I will also pop that up in the corner so that you can see what I'm trying to recreate. So this is what I'm working with. I have a photo of my husband in the younger years. This was, not long after we were going out, actually. So, anyway, he was young then. I am using the No Limits range from Cocoa Vanilla. And I'll just move these out of the way. So, because it's all the blues, the range has other colours in it, and there's not many pages that are just the one colour. So I plan on using this one, but for the sketch I'm going to move everything across to this side. So rather than it being in the middle, I'm going to move things up against this edge to try and cover these tanny colour stars, so the rest of the page is like all the blues, which fits the theme. And the sketch also has a backing piece, so this is my backing piece. So it's meant to go this way, and you'll just see a little bit of this around the edge. So that's what I think I'm doing for the papers. Now for embellishments, I have quite a bit from this range. I've already gone through the die cut packet and picked out all the blue embellishments, so I didn't have to go through everything. I've discounted every other colour, and I've just got the blue ones here. But I've got this sheet here because it has this blue square on it. And then I have, this also is going to be this piece of paper here. And then I have another piece of the one I'm using for the outer backing, and that is going to be for the piece that goes across here. But I'm going to cut this in half, not have it that wide. And then I have the accessory stickers, and there's lots of words here I can use and a few blue items that I can pick out and use as well. And then I have the puffy stickers, so there's blue stars and things in there. And then I have the wood buttons, there's a couple of blue ones in there. I want to get this world on there. I know it's got a little bit of green on it, but I really like it. There's a blue star here, and No Limits, and this one. Oh, and then another packet of the puffy stickers. So there you go. That is what I am working with. So let's get this page started. Okay, there's my page. It's awesome, as the title says. I did manage to keep it all to the blues. There's a little bit of green here, but I can be forgiven for that, I think. I covered up most of the green stars up here, like a khaki green colour. Covered up most of the orange. You can say this is 99% blue, so I think I met the brief. And it looks like the sketch. I've got the large elements down here. I've even got the tickets down here. I've got something over here. They've got the date. I've got a little subtitle. I've got the title. I've moved that down a little bit to be in this cluster. But yeah, there you go. I really like it. I will link below the Off the Rails Facebook group in case you want to jump over and join in the challenges. And yeah, if you've liked this page and you like this video, please give me the thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hit that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.